Hi everyone, welcome to Mama Wee's kitchen. Today I made the shrimp boil. So who joined me today? Here is my daughter Sammy.
Hey.
My son Angel.
Sup?
So let's dig in, guys.
Good. Wait, bro, I'm gonna miss your food so much. Like, this is the best food I ever tried. I know, right? What? The sum is excellent. I know, right?
It's good.
Mm. Like, I can't wait to get older
Mm-hmm.
and just learn all your recipes
Mm.
and then pass it down to my children. So this is good. Yo.
But you guys, that's why sometimes when I cook, I just want you to join me in the kitchen and stop playing games, right?
Yeah.
But I'm happy you don't spend a lot of time on the games, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Good food.
Mm.
Mhm. Mm.
It's so good.
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
The shrimp is on point.
Mm-hmm.
The sausage is so good. Oh, it is. Mm. Mm. Like, bro, I would eat this food all day. Me too. Mm. This is good. Alright.
It's really good.
Bro, we just sit at our homes when we grow up and be like, yeah, remember when our mom made us like good shrimp boil? Oh yeah.
It's so good.
The potatoes are perfectly cooked. The corn tastes sweet and good. Everything is perfect.
Mm-hmm. It's, it's food cooked with love. Yeah. Unfortunately, your dad is on the road. I wish he was here to join us.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Food's so good. Mm-hmm. I've never, like, this food is so good, like, bro. My mommy make the best food.
Mm-hmm.
And best shrimp. And sausage. Mm. How was your day? Oh, my day was great. How about yours? It was awesome. Oh, what did you do? I built a whole Lego thing. The whole Lego fortress. Wow, really? Are you done with it? Not almost. I'm almost done. Oh, okay. Great. Are you gonna where are you gonna place it? I'm gonna place it in my room so I can always see it every night and every day.
Okay. I'm getting full.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
This is so good.
Hey mom, how's your day?
Good. Tiring, I've been listing a lot on eBay. So after I finish my video, I'm gonna go back and list on eBay. So good. So far, so good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this food is good.
Mm. Your dad meets this, right?
100%.
It's okay, next video we'll be doing with him. Unfortunately, my husband is a truck driver, so he's on the road and he really, really likes seafood. Yeah. I love eating with my hands, you know. In my country, where I used to eat, we use hands.
This is really good. Yeah. I cannot live without this food. It's so good. I'm getting full. Me too.
I am. Is the table far from you, Papa?
The most favorite about this food is the shrimp. How she boiled it, it was so good, tasty, delicious. It's awesome.
Yeah. I was so hungry, guys. I can't stop eating.
Yeah,
I keep going on and on. I can't stop. I haven't had anything. So what I do when I'm not cooking, I go and buy storages. So my routine is like, just go buy storage auction, come and sort stuff. After sorting stuff, I list whatever I list and donate the rest. You know, it's good to help people. I just come home and take care of these two little beds here and cook, upload my videos and editing. Anyway, this is my editor. She's the one doing everything on my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. I really appreciate what he's doing. And the master man there, he's the one helping me to list on eBay. He takes pictures and everything, you know. I can't complain, you know. God has blessed me with these two little angels.
Best photographer.
Yep. And you know, they're helping mommy a lot.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart.
Oh. Okay, let me answer the phone, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, hon. Okay, let me answer. Let me go to the bedroom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the bedroom and talk to your dad.
Okay. Let's eat, bro. Go. Come on. You see how we were? Bro. Bro, she's gonna be so mad. Yep. Bro. Wait, yeah, over there. Look. Oh, there's a little bit of ship right here. Oh, right.
Okay. Whoa. What happened? Huh?
Yeah.
What happened? Where is the shrimp? You guys, you mean you can eat that fast? Huh? What are you laughing at? Huh? You, let me see. You kids, you must be kidding me. Really?
Yep.
All right. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I don't know what happened to the stream, but anyways, please subscribe, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Love you.
Bye.